Hello everybody, my name is Miss Foxy by Proxy. Welcome and welcome in. Today I'm bringing you a crafting and engineering project by Kiwi Co Labs. We are going to be unboxing and building our very own battery and remote control operated delivery robot. Now this box took me around 40 minutes to complete. Might take you more, might take you less. The specific crate that it came in is intended for children from 9 through 11. So this was definitely simple, but it was absolutely fun and easy to do. And I think I had a great result. I believe their crates begin at ages 4 through 6, and then they go up in increments all the way up to 18 plus. And of course there is a difficulty curve for each box depending on the age range. But I would like to, after completing this project, I am curious to see what else they have to offer. The price of the crate depends on the subscription box you choose for each month. I believe they range from anywhere around $20 to $45. Regardless of the price or age range, I am still very excited to bring this project to you and to get into it and see what it's about. So let's dive right in. So upon opening, you are greeted with a cute little message as well as the directions to the project. And then you find a cute little graphic novel instruction book that kind of gives you ideas of other robots that you can build with the same kit, which I think is really cute and convenient. Then we're just taking out the pieces, matching them up, and the instructions do not come with words. It's all picture instructions, which, you know, should be easy. But of course I had to identify each piece before I got started, and that made it just a little bit easier for me to get through the project. I would also like to add that this comes with everything you need, including a tiny little toolbox with all the pieces and accessories that are required, and all you need to put it together is your hands. So right here we're just putting on like these rubber tracking rings around the wheels. These are actually like secondary wheels. There are a pair of foam wheels on the bottom of the robot, and then these are here, I guess, for steering. And right here, we're just adding dividers to the robot. This is what I'm assuming is to just keep everything separated, neat, tidy, and organized. So now it's time to start working on the battery. I am just pulling the plastic tab from within the internal battery that keeps the device from turning on during transport. We just remove that tab or your robot's not going to work. Then we are connecting the corresponding colors of the wires to, I guess, the chip and the battery source. And here we are turning it on. Yay! Green means go, green means good. That means our wires are connected correctly. And then we're just gonna add the base to the robot right on top. And right here, we are putting on the final flap to the lid of our robot. Now, when it came to customizing my robot, I went with the basic route. All I did was cut out the eye fixtures that are located on the lid of the box, and it also does come with googly eyes, so I attached those as well. Now we're placing the battery pack inside of our remote control. Once again, we are just simply attaching the corresponding color wires to each other. Now here, I will admit that I had a little bit of difficulty trying to get the wires situated and the chip sitting flat in order to put the buttons on top. But with a little bit of patience, I was able to line everything up and get it sitting flat. Yeah. I'm attaching the final handle, and now it's time to put it all together. Green light means go. That means it's ready to connect. We turn on the base of the robot, and oops, only one tire is working. So I just go back in and make sure that all the cords are still connected. It turned out to be the controller. Once again, I couldn't get it to sit flat, so I just had to go in there and reorganize everything, make sure the buttons weren't pressing down, and yeah, then we were okay. I took it outside for a test drive, and it actually did pretty good on the pavement. Then I took it back inside, and I have a shag carpet, and it did move around pretty well on the shag carpet. I would imagine that on tile it would move around a lot better, but it still did the thing. It still did what it was supposed to do. So yeah. Overall, I had an amazing time. This was fast, fun, and easy, and I would suggest this to people of all ages. This was a fun project, and yeah, I guess that just about wraps it up for me. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're interested in getting this for a loved one or for yourself. Did you find this to be interesting? Are you as excited as I am for the next crate? Let me know in a comment down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.